If you think a brand new car is a safe bet for the next decade, you're being sold a lie. Modern engineering isn't focused on making your engine last, it's focused on passing government tests and looking high-tech in a brochure. In fact, some of the most expensive upgrades you paid for are actually mechanical time bombs designed to fail the moment your warranty expires. I've seen these systems turn $60,000 trucks into paperweights before their first set of spark plugs is even due. Today, we are exposing the 17 features that are objectively destroying your car's reliability and tanking your resale value. Feature number 17, cylinder deactivation. This is the silent killer of modern V8s and V6s. Systems like GM's AFM or Chrysler's MDS shut down half your cylinders to save a fraction of a gallon. But while those cylinders are resting, the lifters are under immense hydraulic stress, and the engine's thermal balance is completely thrown off. The result? The tick of death. Collapsed lifters, chewed up camshafts, and excessive oil consumption. I've seen engines with 50,000 miles that need a total top-end rebuild because the computer decided to play on-off with the valves too many times. Is it 2 mpg gain worth a $5,000 engine swap? Not in my shop. Feature number 16, touchscreen-only climate controls. Distracted driving is at an all-time high, and manufacturers are making it worse by burying your defroster 3 menus deep in a laggy iPad. Physical knobs allow for muscle memory. You can adjust the heat without taking your eyes off a rain-slicked highway. If that screen glitches or the backlight dies, you lose your AC, your heater, and your ability to clear a fogged windshield. It's a massive safety hazard disguised as minimalist design. If you can't operate your car's basic comforts with gloves on in the dark, it's a bad design, period. Feature number 15, dual clutch transmissions. In a Porsche 911 on a track, a DCT is a masterpiece. In a budget commuter car in stop-and-go traffic, it's a disaster. These automated manuals hate creeping at 5 miles per hour. It overheats the clutches and leads to that signature shudder every Ford Focus owner knows too well. The complexity here is staggering. You aren't just maintaining a gearbox, you're maintaining a mechatronics unit, a computer submerged in oil. When they fail, you don't fix them, you replace them for the price of a used jet ski. For a daily driver, give me a robust torque converter automatic any day of the week. Feature number 14, direct injection engines. Direct injection, or GDI, gives you great power and efficiency, but it has a dirty secret: carbon buildup. In old-school port injection, gasoline washed over the intake valves, keeping them clean. In GDI, fuel is sprayed directly into the cylinder, so the valves never get a bath. Over time, oil vapors bake onto those valves like burnt crust on a pizza. Your car starts idling rough, losing power, and throwing codes. The only fix is walnut blasting, literally shooting crushed shells into your intake, which costs nearly $1,000. Unless your car has dual injection like newer Toyotas, you're just renting that performance until the carbon takes over. Feature number 13, panoramic sunroofs or glass roofs. They look stunning in the showroom, but a giant sheet of glass is a terrible structural choice for a vibrating machine. These roofs are heavy, which raises your center of gravity and makes the car feel floppy in corners. More importantly, they all eventually leak or rattle. The drainage tubes clog with oak leaves, and suddenly your $50,000 SUV has a wet carpet and moldy wiring. If the glass cracks from a stray rock or body flex, you're looking at a $3,000 replacement that insurance usually fights you on. Stick to the steel roof. It's quieter, cooler, and won't ruin your interior during a thunderstorm.
Feature number 12, keyless entry systems. Convenience is the salesman's word. Vulnerability is the mechanic's word. Modern, always-on fobs are constantly communicating with the car, which creates a parasitic battery drain. If you leave your car at the airport for 2 weeks, don't be surprised if it's stone dead when you return. Even worse is the relay attack. Thieves can pick up your key's signal from inside your house and drive away with your car in under 60 seconds without ever touching a lock. We've traded the security of a physical key for a system that is easier to hack than a Netflix account. Feature number 11, plastic engine parts. We are living in the era of the disposable engine. Cooling flanges, thermostat housings, and even oil pans are now made of plastic to save pennies. But plastic undergoes heat cycling. It gets brittle and eventually snaps like a dry twig. A $20 plastic coolant pipe failing at 80 miles per hour will overheat your engine and warp the head before you can even pull over to the shoulder. It's not a matter of if these parts will fail, but when. When you're buying a car, look for aluminum. If the engine bay looks like a Tupperware set, be prepared for leaks by year 5. Feature number 10, air suspension systems. Air suspension promises a magic carpet ride that levels itself and adjusts for load, until one bag leaks or a compressor fails, and suddenly your car is sagging on one corner like it gave up. Compressors run non-stop trying to compensate, then burn out. Replacing bags or struts can cost over $1,000 each, and a full system repair is often eye-watering. Many owners eventually convert to traditional coil springs for reliability and lower long-term costs. Luxury feel is nice, but when it fails at 50,000 miles, it becomes an expensive headache. If your car has it, listen for compressor noise and check ride height regularly. For most drivers, conventional suspension is tougher and cheaper to maintain over 100,000 plus miles. Now, let's talk cooling, because the next part doesn't drip or squeak, it just stops. Feature number 9, electric water pumps. Traditional belt-driven pumps were simple and lasted a long time. Electric ones promised efficiency and cooling even after shutdown, but they often fail without warning. No leak, no noise, just sudden overheating. BMW, Audi, Mini, and others have seen failures as early as 50,000 miles. The plastic housings, electronics, and small motors don't always handle heat and voltage spikes well. When it quits, coolant stops flowing, and your engine can overheat fast. Replacement often runs $1,000 to $2,500 with labor. Catch rising temperatures early and act immediately. Many mechanics recommend sticking with vehicles that use proven mechanical pumps for better long-term peace of mind. Up next, wipers that try to be smarter than you and usually lose. Feature number 8, rain-sensing wipers. The idea is great. Sensors detect rain and adjust speed automatically. In practice, they often wipe too aggressively in light mist or stay completely off in heavy rain because dirt, bugs, sun glare, or cracked glass confuse the optical sensor. Instead of helping, they become a distraction while you override them manually. Sensor replacement, especially if integrated into the windshield, can cost hundreds. Old manual controls never failed like this. If your car has rain-sensing wipers, learn the manual override and keep the sensor clean. Reliable visibility is non-negotiable for safe driving. This next feature makes a simple job even harder. Feature number 7, driver assist systems. Lane keep assist that jerks the wheel on faded lines, adaptive cruise that brakes for shadows or signs, automatic emergency braking triggered by potholes. These systems were meant to help, but often add stress and new risks. Studies have shown mixed real-world results, with false activations and occasional failures to detect hazards. When they malfunction, diagnosis and sensor or camera replacement can run $1,000 to $3,000 plus. Many drivers disable them after frustrating experiences. They can be useful in certain conditions, but don't rely on them blindly. Stay alert, keep systems calibrated, and remember, no technology replaces attentive driving. If you've made it this far, you're already ahead of most drivers protecting their investment. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Feature number 6, low-tension piston rings. Car makers use thinner, low-tension rings to reduce internal friction and boost EPA fuel economy numbers. The downside, they seal less effectively over time, letting more oil slip into the combustion chamber where it burns off. You end up adding oil between changes, sometimes every 1,000 to 2,000 miles by 60 to 80,000 on certain engines. This isn't normal. It's a design compromise that leads to higher oil consumption, potential carbon issues, and in worst cases, expensive rebuilds. Some Subaru, GM, and Mazda engines have earned reputations here. Regular oil checks and using the correct viscosity help, but many owners wish manufacturers prioritized durability over marginal MPG gains on paper. Feature number 5, capless fuel fillers. No more gas cap to lose, just stick the nozzle in. Convenient until dust, grit, or a worn nozzle damages the spring-loaded flap, triggering an evap check engine light. Fixing the filler neck can cost $300 to $600 and often requires removing bumper or tail light components. Running out of gas? Many capless systems won't accept standard jerry cans without a special and easily lost adapter. What seemed like a small upgrade became another over-engineered part that fails in annoying, expensive ways. Keep the area clean and carry that adapter if you travel far. Feature number 4. Ambient lighting systems. Soft glowing lights around the doors and footwells look premium at night, until they distract you or start flickering. The LEDs and wiring modules can fail, requiring trim disassembly and costly repairs. More importantly, any extra light in the cabin can create glare on the windshield or reduce contrast for your eyes when scanning the road. Luxury lighting is nice in the showroom, but focused attention matters more when driving. Use it sparingly at night or dim it completely for maximum visibility. When you thought your battery was safe, they made charging unpredictable. Feature number 3, variable charging systems. Smart alternators that only charge when needed to save fuel sound efficient. In practice, they can undercharge the battery during short trips, cold weather, or heavy electrical use, leading to weak starts and premature battery death. Diagnosis is trickier and replacements with the integrated electronics cost more. Consistent charging used to be simple and reliable. If you do lots of short drives, monitor battery health regularly with a good tester. Next up, your car's latest update might fix one thing and break another. Feature number 2, over-the-air OTA system updates. Your car is now a software as a service product. While OTA updates can fix bugs, they can also break your car just like a bad phone update. We've seen cases where an overnight update glitched and owners woke up to a car that wouldn't start or had its safety features disabled. You are essentially a beta tester for the manufacturer's software, and if your car is out of warranty and an update fries a module, you're the one holding the bill for their mistake. Feature number 1, steering wheel controls. We've moved past simple volume buttons. Now, steering wheels have haptic touchpads and 20+ functions. Every one of those signals has to pass through a clock spring, a spiraled ribbon cable that flexes every time you turn the wheel. The more wires you cram into that ribbon, the more likely it is to fail. And when it does, you don't just lose your radio, you lose your airbag connectivity and your horn. Replacing a high-tech clock spring is a $600+ job that requires pulling the steering wheel and handling explosives. It's a wear item that shouldn't be carrying that much responsibility.